Why I love Bowling Green's downtown is definitely all the different local businesses that are around there. So one of my favorites downtown is probably Grounds for Thought. It's a little coffee shop and used bookstore down there, and so students are able to go there, spend some time, grab a cup of coffee or tea in my personal opinion. So Campus Poly Eyes has these awesome stuffed breadsticks, and so I always get the ones filled with just cheese, but my friends really love the pepperoni ones, so we try and split up our order. CMB's is kind of a more downtown restaurant area, and so we go there. They have the best burgers, and so I like to treat my family when they come up here, so we all go out to dinner together. So I've explored a lot of the different shops downtown. I have a record player, and we have a record store downtown called Finders, and so my best friend and I like to go there a lot and check out all the new finds. But another place that's really cool that I like personally is called For Keeps, and it's kind of a gift shop, knick-knack store, so you go in and there's just so many options of walking around super duper cutesy things. So I like to go there a lot and get gifts for my friends if their birthday's coming up or any special events. I can normally find something cute there.